Hello, my kleiner Schatz. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Pooh. Hi, Pooh Bear. Hi, Pooh Bear. What you doing? Hi, honey bunny. Hi, honey bunny. Look at you. You're such a big boy. You gonna come stay with mommy tonight? Are you gonna come stay with mommy tonight? Huh? Take a picture of your home here, huh? Your home away from home. Ah.
Did you find her, Rhonda? Did you find her?
Look at you.
I forgot to put my
I am not going to mark this bottle. Do you walk around the house like that after you
I get ready and let it drop. I get ready.
Hi, Pooh Bear. Hi, Pooh Bear. What you doing?
You can probably go home and start.